it's Nazara from Nazara's Fine Crafts, and okay, so I'm going to do a Darn Good Yarn box review. I got this box about a year ago, and I got box number 1. The yarn in the box smelled so heavily of perfume it actually gave me a headache. So I canceled my subscription, and then I decided to give them a second chance because it's been a year. Maybe they've upgraded or done better. I am not affiliated with Darn Good Yarns, or is this video sponsored. I bought this box with my own money. My subscription is $10 a month plus shipping, which is usually right under $4. And then they also have a Yarn of the Month Club, which is $20 a month. Mystery Skirt of the Month Club, which is starting at $25. Sock of the Month, which is $20 a month. Fabric of the Month, which is $20. And Beads of the Month, which is $10 a month. So they've got plenty of different boxes out here that you can get with subscriptions. I do have a code that I will put down in the description for discounts. And so this is Darn Good Yarn box number 2, and we'll go ahead and open it. It's a really cute box. We'll go ahead and and this is what it looks like when you open the box. So you get the skein of yarn, or a hank, usually a skein or a hank, one or the other, or a cake even, a mystery gift, and a card that you get explaining everything. So in the card, it has stories on the first page of where they got the yarn, who made it, and everything. It is usually it is recycled fabrics that are turned into yarn. It says here in the box, it says, this month we are introducing Darn Good Yarn Fancy Twist Silk Yarn, which is made by twisting together 2 of our favorite yarns, worsted weight silk yarn and lace weight silk yarn. In the picture below, picture above, you can see Jamal in blue and Jamil in red in one of our co-ops in India preparing to cake the yarn for easy crafting convenience. Did you know by purchasing our Darn Good Yarn of the Month subscription, you are helping to provide sustainable year-round employment for 22 men and women in India. Great work. So this yarn is Darn Good Fancy Twist in Pink Flamingo. It is 50 yards or 50 grams. It is a bulky 5. It's got pretty colors. It is a really thin 5 if it's a 5. Or a really thick 4. It is hand wash only. It is made from recycled materials, and it is made in India. Let's see, it says knitting needle size would be a 5 to 8 millimeter, and crochet hook size would be a 6.5 to 9 millimeter. And then it has our gift to you is this cute little paisley. Wow, that's a really long bag with the leather Darn Good Yarn label there. It is a zipper bag, which is really nice. And it is lined. It's a canvas material with the paisley design. So that's really nice. I like this bag. And then it says we can make these little bags with it. They give you a knitting, a crochet option, or you can do a headband, which is, they also give you a crochet or knitting option, which is nice. And they are all skilled easy, or rated to be skilled easy. And I like that the patterns, they give you small designs that'll actually work with this small hank of yarn, so, or skein of yarn. So $10 a month it's a pretty good deal for such a small amount of yarn. It's cute. It's fibers that you wouldn't get at a regular store. I will let you know how well this works up in one of my end of the month reviews of what projects I've been working on that month. But you get 4 patterns with it, so you got to think about how much you pay for a pattern. You get this cute little canvas bag. I don't know, does it say keep your favorite needles and hooks safe with this bright, bold, colorful pouch? It does not say if this is handmade or where they got the bags, but I might go ahead and try for next month. This box is not the kind that you get a subscription box and everybody gets the same thing except for maybe a variety of few things. This box does it when you order it. If it's your first time ordering, you're going to get the same box that everybody else got for the first box. Second box, you would get this. You might get extras. Sometimes they do that, but you would get this in the blue box. Next month, I should get, I believe it's a yellow box or a pink box. I'm not sure. I think it's pink. And so you get a pretty good idea of what you're going to get ahead of time. If you like reviews and would like to see another one of these kind of videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you later. Bye.